For many years, beef and milk have been seen as essential foods for building muscle and maintaining strong bones. Protein is often associated with meat, while calcium is commonly linked to dairy products. Because of this, many people believe that reducing animal products automatically means sacrificing strength, energy, or bone health. However, modern nutrition research and traditional diets around the world tell a very different story. The plant kingdom offers an impressive range of foods that provide high-quality protein and easily absorbed calcium, sometimes in amounts that rival or even exceed animal-based sources. These plants also come with additional benefits such as fiber, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds that support overall health. Ten powerful plants with more protein than beef and calcium like milk that may surprise you. In this article, we explore 10 powerful plants that contain more protein than beef and calcium comparable to or better than milk, showing that strength and nutrition can come directly from plants. 1. Spirulina, the ancient algae with modern superpowers. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that has been consumed for centuries by ancient civilizations due to its dense nutritional profile. Today, it is widely recognized as one of the most protein-rich foods on the planet. By weight, spirulina contains up to 60 to 70% protein, which is significantly higher than most cuts of beef. It is also a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids required for muscle repair, immune function, and overall health. In addition to protein, spirulina contains a notable amount of calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Because it is usually consumed in powdered or tablet form, even small amounts deliver a concentrated dose of nutrients. Spirulina is commonly added to smoothies, juices, or water, making it an easy option for people looking to increase protein intake without relying on animal products. Its antioxidant content also supports cellular health and reduces inflammation, making it useful for both active individuals and those focused on long-term wellness. Two. Moringa, the miracle tree you need to know about. Moringa is often called the miracle tree because nearly every part of the plant is edible and highly nutritious. The leaves, in particular, are packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. When dried, Moringa leaves contain more protein per gram than beef, making them a valuable plant-based protein source, especially in regions where meat is expensive or limited. Moringa is also extremely rich in calcium, providing several times more calcium than milk when compared by weight. This makes it especially useful for supporting bone health, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Beyond calcium and protein, Moringa contains vitamins A, C, and E, as well as powerful antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress. Moringa can be consumed as a powder, tea, capsule, or fresh leaf, making it easy to include in daily meals. Three. Soybeans, tofu, and tempeh versatile protein and calcium champions. Soybeans are one of the most widely consumed plant proteins in the world, and for good reason. They provide a complete protein profile that rivals animal-based sources, with protein levels that can match or exceed beef depending on preparation. Tofu and tempeh, both made from soybeans, are particularly popular because they are easy to cook and adapt well to many flavors. Tofu made with calcium sulfate is especially high in calcium, often providing more calcium per serving than milk. This makes it a strong option for maintaining bone density without dairy. Tempeh, which is fermented, also supports gut health due to its natural probiotics. Together, tofu and tempeh offer protein, calcium, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds that support heart health and muscle maintenance. Four. Chia seeds, tiny powerhouses of calcium and more. Chia seeds may be small, but their nutritional impact is significant. Just a few tablespoons provide more calcium than a standard serving of milk, making them an excellent option for people who do not consume dairy. Chia seeds also contain plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a large amount of fiber. The fiber in chia seeds supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, while the omega-3s contribute to heart and brain health. Chia seeds absorb liquid and form a gel-like texture, which helps promote fullness and steady energy levels. They can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt alternatives, or made into chia pudding for a simple, nutrient-dense meal. Five. Pumpkin seeds, a surprising protein heavyweight. Pumpkin seeds are often overlooked, but they are one of the most protein-dense seeds available. With around 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, pumpkin seeds contain more protein than many cuts of beef. They are also rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and healthy fats that support immune function and muscle recovery. While pumpkin seeds are not the highest source of calcium compared to some other plants, their mineral profile still contributes to bone strength and overall metabolic health. They are easy to snack on, sprinkle over salads, or blend into sauces and spreads. Pumpkin seeds are especially popular among athletes and active individuals due to their protein and mineral content. Six. Seitan, the wheat meat with unmatched protein. Seitan is made from wheat gluten and is one of the highest protein plant-based foods available. It can contain up to 75 grams of protein per 100 grams, which is far higher than beef. This makes seitan a popular choice for people focused on muscle building, strength training, or high-protein diets. Seitan has a chewy texture that closely resembles meat, making it easy to substitute in traditional recipes. It is low in fat and contains minimal carbohydrates, which appeals to people managing calorie intake. While seitan is not suitable for individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, it remains one of the most efficient plant-based protein sources for those who can consume wheat. Seven. Kale, the leafy green that beats milk for calcium absorption. Kale is well known for its vitamin content, but its calcium absorption rate is what makes it stand out. While milk contains a higher total amount of calcium, the calcium in kale is absorbed more efficiently by the body. This means that a larger percentage of the calcium consumed actually supports bone health. Kale is also rich in vitamin K, which plays a key role in bone metabolism, as well as vitamin C, which supports collagen formation. It is low in calories and free from saturated fat, making it a clean and effective way to support skeletal health. Kale can be eaten raw, sautéed, blended into smoothies, or baked into chips. 8. Lentils, the budget-friendly protein powerhouse. Lentils are a staple food in many cultures due to their affordability, versatility, and nutritional value. When measured by dry weight, lentils provide about 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, placing them on par with beef. They also contain a large amount of fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain stable energy levels. In addition to protein, lentils are rich in iron, folate, and potassium. These nutrients support red blood cell production, heart health, and muscle function. Lentils are easy to cook and work well in soups, stews, salads, and plant-based burgers, making them a practical option for everyday meals. Nine. Sesame seeds, tiny seeds with a massive calcium punch. Sesame seeds are one of the most calcium-rich plant foods available. Just 1 tablespoon of unhulled sesame seeds provides a significant amount of calcium, making them an effective dairy-free option for bone support. Tahini, a paste made from sesame seeds, is a convenient way to consume them regularly. Beyond calcium, sesame seeds contain healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber that support heart health and reduce inflammation. They are easy to incorporate into meals by adding them to sauces, dressings, or as a topping for vegetables and grains. Ten. Amaranth, the ancient grain with complete protein. Amaranth is an ancient grain that was widely used by the Aztecs and is now gaining renewed interest. Unlike most grains, amaranth is a complete protein, meaning it contains all essential amino acids. This makes its protein quality comparable to animal-based sources like beef. Amaranth is also high in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which work together to maintain strong bones. It is naturally gluten-free and has a mild, nutty flavor. Amaranth can be used in porridge, soups, salads, or as a rice substitute, making it both nutritious and versatile. Conclusion. These 10 plants demonstrate that protein and calcium are not exclusive to meat and dairy. From algae and leafy greens to seeds and ancient grains, plant-based foods offer powerful nutrition that supports muscle strength, bone health, and overall well-being. They also provide added benefits such as fiber, antioxidants, and lower levels of saturated fat. Incorporating these plants into your daily meals does not require a complete lifestyle change. Even small additions can improve nutrient intake and dietary balance. By exploring plant-based sources of protein and calcium, you can build a strong, healthy body while supporting a more sustainable and diverse food system.